received from overseas, which is a mesh glass. I don't know whether it's actually can be used or have strong enough to be played for my old hobbies that I basically wanted to try to collect again right now, even though right now everything was already pretty expensive due to the weird legality or policy in Indonesia to prevent any kind of criminality. Perhaps, I'm not sure, that use this kind of tools or hobby. Perhaps, I'm not sure. So the next package is actually comes from my favorite e-commerce. So it's only $5, and for the package from overseas is actually only $2. For $5 is actually for 4 things, which is another safety glasses that, but not the mesh Google, so it's just regular glass. And one that basically use the same headband, and the other one is actually a regular type of glasses. And I think I used to have many of these glasses that bought from hardware store. Any kind of hardware stores, safety glasses. I'm not sure whether it still exists or not. So the other package is actually HDD case, and so AirPods case. I don't know whether it will be useful or not. So I think that's all.